tan square theta plus tan power 4 theta. Tan square theta plus tan power 4 theta. So when you bring out tan square theta common factor here, tan square theta into 1 plus tan square theta. So tan square theta is equal to secant square theta minus 1. So 1 plus tan square theta can be written as secant square theta. So secant square theta into secant power 4 theta, secant square theta minus 1, secant power 4 theta minus secant square theta. Option is A. Root of 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. Under root 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. So under root 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. So therefore, when you rationalize the denominator, multiply the numerator and denominator with 1 plus cos theta. Therefore, root 1 plus cos theta whole square by root 1 minus cos square theta. So 1 plus cos theta whole square is equal to 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta square root sin theta. 1 by sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta. 1 by sin theta is cosecant theta, cos theta by sin theta, cot theta. So the option is A. Sin square 45 plus sin square 75 by cos square 36 plus cos square 54. Here we can observe that 15 and 75 are complementary angles. So sin square 75 plus sin square 15 plus sin square 75. Since 15 and 75 are complementary angles, so I am going to write this 75 as 90 minus 15. Sin square 90 minus 15 by cos 36 and 54. 36 and 54 are also complementary. Therefore, cos square 36 degrees plus cos square 90 minus 36. So therefore, sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. So sin 15, sin square 15 plus sin 90 minus theta, cos square 15, sin square 15 plus cos square 15, 1. Similarly, cos 90 minus 36, sin 36, cos square 36 plus sin square 36 also 1. 1 by 1 is equal to 1. So the option is A. Sin power 6a plus cos power 6a plus 3 sin square a cos square a. So observe this expression. We are going to write this one in the form of sin square a whole cube plus cos square a whole cube plus 3 sin square a cos square a into 1. Let us write this one. This 1 can be written as sin square a plus cos square a. So therefore sin square a whole cube plus cos square a whole cube. So for the sake of convenience, we are writing here 1. Therefore this is in the form of, this can be written as sin square a plus cos square a. Now it is in the form of a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b is equal to a plus b whole cube. That means sin square a plus cos square a whole cube. Sin square a plus cos square is 1. 1 cube means 1. Therefore option is A. In triangle ABC, BC is equal to 3, CA is equal to 4 and AB is equal to 5. Then cos angle ABC and cos angle BAC. So acute angle is taken at A, angle B, A, C. BC is equal to 3, CA is equal to 4, AB is equal to 5. These three are Pythagorean triplets. Cos angle BAC is equal to adjacent side of A by hypotenuse 4 by 5. So the option is C. Sin theta into cos theta is 1 by 2, then theta is equal to. This is possible when theta is equal to 45 because sin 45 into cos 45. 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2 is equal to 1 by 2. This is possible only when theta is equal to 45. This option is 45. Tan theta is equal to 3 by 4. Then the value of 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. So let us have a rough diagram here. Theta 3, 4. So it will become 5. 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. That means 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus 4 by 5 by 1 plus 4 by 5. 5 ones are 5 minus 1. 1 by 5 by 9 by 5. 1 by 5 by 9 by 5 means 1 by 9. Therefore the option is 1 by 9. 1 minus secant square a by cosecant square a minus 1. Here secant square a can be written as 1 by cos square a. Therefore 1 minus 1 by cos square a by 1 by sin square a minus 1 because cosecant is the reciprocal of sin A. Therefore cos square A minus 1 by cos square A by 1 minus sin square A by sin square A. Cos square A minus 1 is equal to minus sin square A by cos square A. 1 minus cos square A is sin square A is equal to cos square A by sin square A. Therefore, minus sin square A by cos square A into sin square A by cos square A. Therefore, minus sin power 4A by cos power 4A. Sin power 4A by cos power 4A is sin by cos is tan A minus tan power 4A. Option is B. When tan theta is expressed in secant theta, tan theta is equal to secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. It is called one of the trigonometric equation. So secant square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. So when you apply square root both sides, secant square theta minus 1 is equal to root tan square theta, that is tan theta. So when tan theta is expressed in terms of secant theta, root secant square theta minus 1. Secant square theta plus cosecant square theta is equal to secant square theta can be written as 1 by cos square theta, cosecant square theta 1 by sin square theta. That is therefore sin square theta plus cos square theta by cos square theta into sin square. So numerator is equal to 1. So 1 by cos square theta into sin square theta. So when you separate this one, 1 by cos square theta into 1 by sin square theta. So secant square theta into cosecant square theta. Option is A. Secant theta plus tan theta is equal to 1 by 3. Then sin theta is equal to secant theta plus tan theta is equal to 1 by 3. So secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 3. When we add these two, they will get cancelled. Therefore 2 secant theta is equal to 3 plus 1 by 3 means 10 by 3. So similarly, when we subtract these two equations, 2 tan theta is equal to 1 by 3 minus 3. That is equal to 1 minus 9 by 3. That is equal to minus 8 by 3. So 2 tan theta by 2 secant theta. When we divide these two equations, we get minus 8 by 3 by 10 by 3. So 3 get cancelled. 2 get cancelled. So sin theta is equal to minus 8 by 10. So 2 cancels here 4 times, 2 cancels here 5 times. Sin theta is equal to sin power 4a minus cos power 4a by sin square a minus cos square a. Therefore, this can be written as sin square a whole square minus cos square a whole square by sin square a minus cos square a. So therefore, a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. Sin square a plus cos square a into sin square a minus cos square a by sin square a minus cos square a. Therefore, these two get cancelled. Sin square a plus cos square a is 1. Therefore, option is B. 1 by sin theta plus 1 by 1 plus sin theta. So when you take LCM, you get 1 plus sin theta plus 1 minus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta. Therefore, these two get cancelled. 2 by 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta, 1 minus sin square theta, that is equal to cos square theta. 2 by cos square theta, 2 secant square theta. Therefore, the option is B.